Atlas Cross Sport concept shown at the 2018 New York International Auto Show is essentially a shortened version of the 7-seat Atlas we already know. Let's take a look. Rolling on 22-inch wheels, the Atlas Cross Sport shares its wheelbase with the existing 7-passenger Atlas, but the Cross Sport is 7.5 inches shorter. They basically cut the back end of the Atlas off, and the results are actually quite nice. Inside, occupants enjoy infotainment via a 10.1-inch touchscreen and driver-specific information with a 12.3-inch digital cockpit display. This is one of those rare concepts where you can actually sit inside, or at least you can until somebody tells you to get out of the thing. Yeah, actually really neat. Very forward-looking, futuristic, I guess. Big screen, horizontal layout, deeply reflective metal that will blind you. Oh, wait, yeah, here come the lights. Oh, God. No, wait, should I be opening that? Probably not. Oh, yeah, jeez. I really feel like I'm going to break stuff, and I probably shouldn't be sitting in here. It's nice, though. The big question, can I sit in the back? Let's sneak back there. Again, I'm not sure we're supposed to be in here because everything feels a little this side of production quality, but great legroom. And the recline mechanism doesn't seem to work, but with these seats slightly reclined, this should be very roomy space to sit. I mean, what we already know about the Atlas is that it's a big SUV when it seats 7, so even with the back end cut off, a lot of space to work with. I'd even occupy the middle seat. It's that good. Powering the near production concept is a plug-in hybrid powertrain that blends a 3.6-liter V6, electric motors, one front and one rear, and an 18-kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack to deliver 355 total horsepower and an all-electric range of 26 miles or so. VW claims a 0 to 60 time of 6.5 seconds. The Atlas Cross Sport also offers 5 drive modes, including all-electric, off-road, and a sporty GTE mode, which boosts the powertrain's output to a beefy 494 pound-feet. Though billed as a concept, the Atlas Cross Sport is destined for production in scenic Chattanooga, Tennessee, starting sometime in 2019. And now, lingering shots to tide you over.